Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you have any messy eaters in your house, you are gonna love this bundle. This is the Miss Mouth's Messy Eater Stain Treater plus Laundry Detergent Sheets combo. Check out how easily and completely this blood stain comes out of this fabric. It's perfect for clothes, upholstery, carpets. You can use it on both fresh stains and set-in stains. This 3-pack is great. They are 4 ounces each, which is small enough to throw into a purse or backpack, diaper bag. Everything that I've tried these on, including this balsamic vinegar stain, came out super easily. You simply spray, blot, and rinse or throw it into the wash. And I used it with the detergent sheets. You get a 30-pack of the sheets. They are fragrance-free, and I used them along with the stain treater. This was a mustard stain, simply spraying it to pre-treat and throwing it in with the detergent sheets. So these you can actually tear in half if you're just washing a smaller load. So they last a long time. All my clothes and linens have all come out super clean and fresh. And you can see that it came out perfectly clear, no trouble at all. This would be a great gift for new moms or really great for any laundry room. They're great products on their own, and together they are a total powerhouse. And that's my point of view.